Trello lovers, here we come. In this video tutorial, we'll take a quick look at LambdaTest and Trello integration. Now with a single click, you can push issues from LambdaTest and create cards in Trello directly. You can start by going to Settings from left navigation and click on Integrations. Now click on Install button next to Push to Trello, which will prompt you to log into your Trello account. Once you enter your Trello account credentials, click Allow. You will see the confirmation once your Trello integration is successful. For example, when you're performing real-time testing and find an issue, take a screenshot and then click on Mark as a bug and you'll get a pop-up. Now you can select the board, list, as well as assign the issue to your team member. Once you click on Create Bug, card will be created under board and list selected by you. Along with the screenshot, environment summary such as operating summary, browser version, screen resolution will be added to your card. You can integrate only one issue tracker at a time. So if you want to switch to another issue tracker, go back to Integration Settings page and click on Uninstall next to Trello. In case you have any questions or you require any further information, you can chat with the team, or you can also drop us an email at support@lambdatest.com. We're here to help and we'd love to hear from you. Happy testing!